Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start with today's lecture. We are starting with our first comprehension reading, that is crossing the river. Okay. Now I would just share the screen and tell me that whether my screen is visible or not. Okay. And if you can see or not. Okay. Can you all see my screen? Is it visible? If it's like to do it in the screen like this, I told you people, ये हमारा वो रहेगा कि अगर जैसे ही आप लोगों ने देख लिया, just do it like this. Okay. So let's start. As you people don't have the book, so this is the only solution right now we have. Okay, so let's start. The events in the following textbook place in Russia over 200 years ago. Ivan was in charge of the family servants who were the uh, bringing the writer. Just wait a second. Sergei Askonov, whom were from school for the summer holidays, they have to cross the river Kama by ferry boat. At the time, Sergei was just 9 years old. ठीक है, चले अब हम start करेंगे. यहाँ पर we are talking about the writer, what she or he will be doing. Crossing the river. In the afternoon, we reach. Is it clear? Is it visible to all of you? Right? The screen is clear, right? Okay, Fatma, I will try to speak a little louder. Now, is it louder as I get closer to my laptop and everything? Is my voice clear? If it's clear, please thumbs up. Okay. In the afternoon, we reached the bank of the Kama River. Opposite to us was the village to which we were crossed by ferry boat. Okay? So the writer is saying that it was the afternoon time when he was about to reach. He reached the bank. You know what is a bank, right? The corner of the bank of a river, right? And what was the name of the river? Kama River. Opposite to us was the village, ठीक है, और उसके opposite side पे क्या था? Village था. And they were trying to cross that village by a ferry boat. You know what is a small ferry boat? Okay. On the bank, waiting with their drivers and a group of villagers. अच्छा, कौन-कौन उस ferry boat में wait कर रहा था to travel? Okay, I'll take the questions in the end. First, let me explain the comprehension, please. Yes, just okay. Those I just want to reintroduce myself. My name is Miss Silla. I'm your English teacher and your science teacher, and I'm your class teacher as well. Okay, those who have joined me right now, and it's their first class. Okay, now we are doing the first comprehension. Please try to concentrate on it, and I will give you the answers to all your questions in the end of the class. ठीक है, चले अब अभी हम कहाँ थे? So basically there were a lot of you know what is a cart, the carriage, okay, and the driver of that cart, okay, and there were many villagers also waiting for the ferry boat so that they can just cross the river. The women were carrying basket full of berries which they were carrying home. Women's के पास क्या थी? They were carrying a lot of berries in the basket, okay. The ferry boat was tied to the bank, but there was no fisherman to row us across the river. ठीक है, ferry boat was there and it was right up there hooked to the nail, okay, at the bank of the river. But the thing is this, that there was no fisherman who could just drive the ferry boat. Now what will going to happen next? Just see. After some discussion, the villagers and my family servants decided to take us across the river themselves. Finally क्या decide हुआ कि जो family members हैं और उनके साथ जो villagers हैं वो आपस में मिलकर खुद ही क्या करेंगे? Cross करेंगे river in a ferry boat themselves. One of the villagers said he had been a ferryman for some years, so he would take the steering oar and guide the ferry boat across. So one of the villagers, he was claiming that I know how to drive this boat and I will do it myself because previously I was doing, I was what what you can say, I was like I can drive it easily because I was doing for the past few years. And he took the steering. Steering is the wo jo nahi round circle jo hota hai. चले, अब आगे क्या हुआ वो देखते हैं. The ferry boat was loaded. The three carts with their drivers, my carriage with its 3 horses, and my family servants. The villagers and the women with their baskets were full loaded on the board. Now, finally, what happened? The 3 carts, the rider himself with his family and his 3 horses, and the people and the woman. And the women with the baskets and everything, and all the people of the villages finally get themselves onto the board, right? The men who said The man who said he was a ferryman took his place at the steering oar. Finally, जिसने claim किया था कि नहीं मैं ये चला सकता हूँ, वो उसकी steering board पे बैठ गया. My servant Ivan had the courage and strength. Finally, क्या हुआ? जो writer का जो servant था, servant का name क्या था? Ivan. ठीक है? Finally, he also took the oars. Okay, took the position because he was very powerful and very courageous, as he owns the capability or the capacity of 10 equal men, right? अब उसके बाद क्या होगा? Although the village was directly opposite, we have to row upstream for more than a rest before turning across the river. This was to avoid the current of the Angry Kama River. Now, what happened, as there was a great flow of river, ठीक है, although the village was directly opposite, ठीक है, जो कि village जो था वो directly opposite direction में था, we had to row upstream. Definitely, they have to exert and row upstream because there was a high flow of river water, or you can say the water, before turning across the river. This was to avoid the current of the Angry Kama River. ठीक है, तो finally they were rushing up towards the high stream so that they can overcome up the flow of the water, which is very चले. अब उसके बाद लिखा हुआ है, the boat was moving slowly upstream when a black cloud suddenly appeared and covered the horizon. A violent summer storm was approaching. Now, finally, as they were trying to row up slowly to come up with the high currents of the flow of the water, finally what they could realize कि एक काला बादल आसमान पे आ गया है and it is about to storm. जब वो अपनी आराम से अपनी बोट को स्पीड करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे ताकि वो वाटर के प्रेशर से, रिवर वाटर के प्रेशर से ओवरकम कर सके, उतने में उन्होंने क्या रियलाइज किया? They have realized that there is a cloud right up there, black cloud, which seemed that there will be a storm soon. ठीक है ना? To save time, the man rowed only. ठीक है? Just to save the time, what happened? The man rowed only. Part of the necessary verse upstream. So everybody was like just to reach the bank, just to reach the village quickly. What happened? I appreciate if you maintain silence and try to concentrate what I'm saying rather talking to your family members. This is a virtual classroom. I appreciate if you sit in a place where you all are alone. So finally, what happened? तो वो क्या कर रहे थे कि सब ने कोशिश करी ताकि वो जल्दी जल्दी कहाँ पहुंच सके, विलेज पहुंच सके. Then they murmured a prayer and started to row straight across the river. But before we reached the middle of the river, the sky and the water grew black, the wind blew like a hurricane, and the thunder and lightning broke over us. Now, finally, what happened? They all were trying to row the boat as quickly as possible so they can reach the village. But what happened? Right in the middle of the river, what happened? The wind started blowing and it a form of a hurricane. Hurricane is a big storm, okay? And finally it seemed that the storm has finally appeared. ठीक है ना? अब क्या होगा? The man at the steering dropped his oars in panic and confused that he had never been a ferryman and could not steer. Now finally what happened, that the villager who was The person who is claiming कि मुझे फेरी बोट चलानी आती है और मैं past few years से चला रहा था, वो इतना कंफ्यूज हो गया और वो इतना डर गया और वो इतना पैनिक में आ गया, he got so much confused and he got so much in panic that finally he just gave up. Okay, and he said that no, I cannot row this boat. Uh, I cannot handle the situation. Okay, and I cannot row the boat. The woman shrieked, confessed, and he had never been a ferryman, and he simply confessed himself that no, I'm not a ferryman. Okay. The woman shrieked in terror. I was so frightened that I just shook with terror and could not make a sound. Now what happened? Everybody was started screaming, and everybody was started, and they got very frightened and scared. Because there was a heavy storm over there, and they got very, they got in terror as well. Now what was the kind of writer's expression? Writer was completely speechless. Okay. Yes, Aban, you want to ask something? Write it in the chat box. You want to write something? You want to ask something? Please write it in the chat box. Okay. So now what happened? The woman shrieked. They were screaming in terror. Okay. And they were all scared. ठीक है. उतने में क्या हुआ? Writer का क्या expression था? Writer becomes suddenly speechless. और उसके मुंह से कुछ नहीं निकल रहा था, and he was astonished to see all these kind of things. Right. Now see next what happened. The current carried us down several rests to sandbank in the river about 100 yards from the bank, where we came to a halt. Ivan sprang into the chest-high water. He made the quickest of our horse jump off the ferry board. He managed to put me on it and told me to hang onto the horsemate. Now what happened finally? Yes. Yes, Ban. Okay, now what happened? The current carried us down several rests to a sandbank. Finally, what happened? Because of the high water flow upstream, what happened? The boat just toppled over and it was being dragged towards the sandbank. Okay, or lulakte, it is just toppling over, and finally it reached towards the sandbank. Okay, which was 100 yards from the bank. और वो कहाँ थी, कितनी दूर था? 100 yards दूर था from the river bank, which was the opposite side. ठीक है, where it comes to the halt, और वो वहां पर आकर रुक गई. ठीक है. Ivan sprang into the chest high water. He made the quickest of our horses jump off the ferry boat. ठीक है. जल्दी से Ivan was the writer's servant, remember? So उसने क्या किया? जल्दी से वो उस बोट्स में से उतरा और उसने क्या किया? सारे हॉर्सेस को भी उस फेरी बोट में से बाहर निकाला. ठीक है. He managed to put me onto it, and finally what did he did? He just tried to put his master right up onto the horse. Okay. And who did it? The Ivan, the servant. Okay. कहाँ गए? He and told me to hang onto the horse mane. और उसने कहा कि horse mane को जो होता है ना, remember the main thing, उसको पकड़ ले. Then he led the horse by its bridle as great wave of the black water rushed past. Suddenly Ivan disappeared into a deep water and my horse began to swim. Finally what happened? Ivan was trying to bridle means वो जो नहीं होते, रस्सी होती है horse की, वो उसको पकड़ के Ivan drag करते हुए कोशिश कर रहा था कि वो उसको river bank की तरफ लेकर आए. ठीक है. लेकिन finally what happened? Ivan was vanished. He was disappeared. He could not see him. Okay. Maybe because of the great wave of water. ठीक है. पानी की लहर की वजह से. And now what the master realized that he and his horse is swimming right on the water. I never forgotten the terror when I felt at that moment. Obviously, how could you feel if you are just right in the middle of the river and your horse and you are just swimming right in the middle of it? So he could not just imagine, or he could just not forget that moment of time. Okay. I felt as I was drowning in the great black wave, but Ivan was a strong swimmer. He swam onto the shallow water where he could stand without letting go of the horse bridle. Then he brought us safely to the bank. I was taken off the horse almost unconscious with my hands stiff from clinging to the horse mane. Soon I recovered and was very happy to find that everyone was safe. Now, finally, as Ivan was very strong, remember he owns the capability of E, which is equal to 10 men. It was written in the first paragraph. So finally क्या हुआ? And so finally what happened that Ivan was able to rescue his master, and because he was a great good swimmer and he could swim and he because he could swim, so he was able to rescue the master. Okay, then he brought them us safely to the bank, and finally they have reached the bank. Okay, he was taken off the horse. Usko finally horse से उसके master को उतारा गया. Previously he was unconscious. ठीक है, वो unconscious था, but later on he becomes conscious. और फिर वो क्या हुआ था, क्योंकि वो horse wing की cling पे वो लटका हुआ था, फिर उसको उतारा गया, and finally he was recovered, and he was very happy, and he realized that finally he was safe. Okay, ठीक है, चले. Now I would like to ask few questions, and you have to answer me to those questions. Okay, चले. Can anybody just me rename the river? What was the name of that river? Yes, who would like to answer me? What is the name of that river? Yes, Mahat.
Miss Kama River.
Exactly. It was the Kama River. Okay. So can you just name few of the person who was traveling on the ferry boat? Mahat, please, as soon as you have answered, mute your mic again. Okay. कौन-कौन थे जो कि ferry boat में travel कर रहे थे? Name any few of the person which you remember were traveling on the ferry boat. Yes, Zaid.
Villager.
Zaid, louder, थोड़ा louder. और देखिए देखिए मैं कितने करीब आके लैपटॉप से बोलती हूँ, आप भी उतने करीब आके बोलें.
Villager.
I am unable to hear you, Zaid. I'm so sorry, beta. Okay, anybody else who wants to answer me? Who else was traveling on the ferry boat? Yes, Hadia.
Miss, a group of villages and 3 loaded carts with their drivers.
Okay, 3 cars and the drivers. And okay, thank you. Very nice. Acha. Uh, what was the name of the writer's servant? Who will answer me this? Writers के servant था, मैंने repeatedly अभी lecture में भी कितनी दफा repeat किया. What was the name of that writer? Yes. Well, what's your name? I don't know your name, beta, but I'm just asking you to. Can you just pronounce your name? Yes, you.
Amber.
Huh?
Amber.
Okay. Please do let me. What was the name of the servant?
Miss Adam.
Exactly. And what he did basically? What he did basically in the story? Any idea? Yes, anyone who wants to answer? What Ivan did in the story? Do you all know that there is a mask for class participation? If you will not answer, then I will give you 0. Fatma Nadeem, switch on your camera. Zaid, there is a problem with your mic, beta. Yes,
But
bole.
he was a strong swimmer. He was a strong swimmer and he saved them.
When the storm came, he did what?
He was a strong swimmer and
I
he
cannot hear
saved
you.
them.
Yes, Aban. Okay, Mohammed Ayan. Yes, what Ivan did?
Miss, I guess he saved the master because of the storm.
Exactly. He saved his master. And how he saved his master?
The help of the horse.
With the help of the
Horse.
horse. Okay. Yes, he helped his master from drowning in the water with the help of the horse. Okay, very nice. What was the name of that storm which hit them? Any idea? Name of that storm? Storm का नाम क्या है in the paragraph? Okay, I'm just showing you the screen again, and it might be here in the second paragraph over here. So if you can find it out and tell me. Okay, what was the woman carrying in their hands when they were traveling? Any idea? Okay, Khuzaima. Yes, Khuzaima.
Miss Berries.
Yes, they were carrying the basket of berries. Very nice. Okay. Chale ji, let's come to the. Okay, just give me a second, please. Just give me a second. Okay, now can you all see my screen? Is it visible? If it's, please thumbs up. Okay, now first question. Why did the ferry boat have to go upstream before crossing the river? Why is it so? Why did the ferry boat have to go upstream before crossing the river? Why is it so? Okay, I'll just show you my this. Okay, the answer is here. You can find it out and tell me. अपस्ट्रीम क्यों जाना पड़ रहा था उसको? Why you people are so dull today? No responses at all. Okay. Anyone from the second question? What? Yes. Thank you. ये किसने किया है? Raise. Yes.
Miss, because the storm has storm
First
was
explain me the question, Anna. First explain the question.
the first one.
Yes, the first one. You were
It's
giving me the
saying
answer for the first one or the second?
Miss, the
You are
first
giving
one.
me the answer. Okay, so first explain me the question. What do we mean by this over here?
It's saying that why the boat was going upstream before crossing the river.
Why the why the board has to go upstream before even crossing the river? Why is that so? Basically, it's asking you this, right, Anna?
Yeah.
Now, please tell me the answer for it.
Miss, because the storm was approaching.
Because at that moment, the storm was not approaching. You can say there was a high tides of water.
Okay.
Okay, there was a high tides of water, and because of this reason, the boat has to go upstream like that. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Now go to the next question. What had the woman who were returning to their village been doing? चले, जो औरतें return हो रही थी, वो क्या कर रही थी? Now, anyone who wants to give the answer for this? Yes, Adia, would you like to give the answer for this? Second question, Hadia.
Yes, miss.
Do you know the answer for this?
No, miss, I can't remember it.
You can't remember? Okay, I'll show you the screen and then you will be remembering. Okay. Now, can you see this?
Yes.
In the first paragraph, you can find the answer, Hadia, and now you can tell me. Okay, where is it? Start reading and tell me the answer.
Miss, the women were carrying baskets full of berries.
Okay. The women were carrying for baskets full of berries, which they are carrying home, right? So this is the answer for answer number 2. Okay. Chale. What do you find about the villagers who said he had been a ferryman? Now you tell me, what do you think about that person who is saying कि नहीं मुझे मैं तो ferryman रहा हूँ? आपको क्या लगता है उसके बारे में? What do you think about him? In your opinion? Yes, anyone? Yes, Adya.
Miss, I think that he knew how to ride it, but he was scared at that time.
You think in Hadia's point of view, she thinks that that person know how to row the boat, but at that time he was scared. Okay, but I don't agree with this answer, and I will tell you that why I don't agree with this answer. Okay, anybody else? Anyone else? Anyone else who wants to give? Yes, Eliza. Yes, Eliza. I cannot hear you, Eliza. I cannot hear you. Okay, anybody else? Okay, Mahad, I want the answer from you. आपको क्या लगता है इसके बारे में? What do you think? What do you find about the villager who had been saying that he's a ferryman? What do you think about him?
Miss, he wanted to help them.
Okay, you think that he wants to help the people so that they can finally reach their destination. Okay, that's nice. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, I don't agree with Hadia because over here in this second paragraph, it says the man at the, can you see my cursor on the screen? I'm reading over here. The man at the steering oar dropped his oar in panic and confessed. See, he's confessing that he had never been a ferryman. He himself is saying that he was not a ferryman and he was lying previously. So in my opinion, that I will say that I believe that he was a liar, and later on he confesses that he didn't know how to row a boat. Okay, Hadia, do you got the idea, beta, that why I was not agreeing with your answer? Okay, Hadia. Okay, ji. Chale. Next, What caused the man who was steering the boat to drop his oar? Now the man who was, what is the thing which make him drop the oars? Why he dropped the oars? Why is it so? Zaid, if you know the answer, you can type in the chat box, as your mic is not working. Okay, beta? Don't feel disheartened. You just can simply write the answer in the chat box and I will answer you. Okay? I just read your previous answers. Very nice, Zaid. It means that you're very attentive. Exactly, because very nice, Zaid. He dropped the oars because he was very panicked. वो परेशान हो गया था, वो कंफ्यूज हो गया था. जैसे स्टॉर्म ने अप्रोच किया, so he was very confused and he was very frightened and he was very scared. So finally he dropped the oars and said, भाई मैं तो नहीं चला सकता. ठीक है? So this is what actually happened. चलें जी. Next. What sort of man was Ivan? ये तो बहुत ही आसान है. Ivan किस किस्म का मैन था भाई? चलें. Yes, Fatma Nadeem, I want the answer from you. Please unmute your mic. Yes, do you know? What sort of a man was Ivan? Ivan किस किस्म का man था? Very nice, Zaid. Zaid is saying he was very strong, right? Remember, the master himself was saying in the passage over here that he possesses the strength which is equal to 10 men. Over here, I'll just tell you where he mentioned this. Over here somewhere he mentioned this, that can you see the mic cursor on the screen? It is written, my servant Ivan had the courage and strength of 10 men, and he has the same villagers who took the other oars. Okay, so basically he's admitting that he's very strong and powerful. So Ivan was a very strong, courageous and a powerful man. Very good, Zaid. Very good. Okay. Okay, he was very intelligent. Very good, Ayan. Very nice. Chale ji, next question. Last but not the least. What lesson do you think are learned in this story? Now the moral of the story. What do you think from this story? After reading this story, जैसे कहते हैं ना उर्दू में मरकजी ख्याल करते हैं आप लोग, right? Moral of the story. So what do you think? आपके अपने हिसाब से इस स्टोरी का क्या मकसद है? What the story is just telling us all about? Yes, anyone who wants to give the answer? We do not have to lie to someone and never give up on anything. Okay, very nice, Zaid. Zaid is saying the moral is this, that we should not lie and we should not give up on anything. मतलब हमें हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. Very nice. Okay, Anna, would you like to give the answer? Yes, Anna.
Miss, we do not have to give up, and we should be brave.
Okay, we should be brave, we should be courageous, and we should never give up. Very nice, Anna. Then comes Hadia. Yes, Hadia, would you like to say something?
Miss, I was actually typing it.
No problem, you can speak now.
Miss, the story is telling us that we should never lie even if we want to help someone.
Okay, so it means that we should not give false hope to somebody.
Yes.
Exactly. If you cannot do something, then you should admit it. Rather giving false hope to somebody and making them, rely on you, and finally, just, when you are unable to do that thing, it feel hurt, right? So instead of giving false hope to somebody else, you should just not do so. ठीक है. Acha, so in my point of view is this, that you should never give up is very right. You should try your level best. Okay. You should okay, and even if you want to help somebody, but don't lie to somebody. Okay, so basically these are the moral of the story. Okay, so let's stop over here. Okay, please lower your hands. Let's end the class over here because the time is already up. Anna, please lower your hand. Okay. Let's end the class over here and look at the smile on Hafsa's face, that okay, Jaan chhut gayi miss se, and Miss is finally doing. That's okay. I'm just cracking joke. It's just a joke. Don't feel scared. She was smiling like this, so I was like, okay. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the class, and thank you very much. Okay.